Start recording. Okie dokie. So we're back in Sparky IceWM. I just was in Linux Lite with a virtual box, and I tried to go on doing things with Ghost Beastie that I just can't make it work because I have a 7-inch screen then in the virtual box. That is too small, and that I almost said bloody mouse bottom. You know, you scroll when you search on the internet, you scroll and it goes pages backwards instead of scrolling up and down. I have no clue. Why do people do this? Honestly, I mean, yeah. I so like Ghost Beastie, but this should not happen. I mean, honestly, this is bare minimum that you have at least the standard you had before. If then some packages don't work because you moved on, that they have to be fine-tuned, that's all right. That's okay. But the basics, they should still be working. I mean, the worst is I can't get it installed, right? So we'll see. I haven't given up yet. My idea is that I will switch in the BIOS the APU back on and put everything on the APU, see if I can get it installed. And when it's installed, then I will just go back to the GPU, fire it up and see if it punches through. That would be nice. So then I would have my Ghost Beastie running. Because I'm not having it running and I don't like it. I want it. So this is again, and as I said, this is IceWM and I love it. See, I like that menu because I know how to manipulate it to get my HTOP in, my key paths, my file manager, web browsers and all that stuff. I'm not so familiar with OpenBox, even though I like OpenBox too. I'm a right mouse menu clicker, so I like that a lot. And I rather prefer, let's say, IceWM than crazy going XFCE Rust. I mean, Ubuntu is just learning that, oh yeah, we just rewrite everything in Rust. It's just like that. Yeah, no. And, honestly, I mean, in the earlier days, we had something like competence, logic, knowledge, and that's how you got in jobs, right? But of course, if you have I don't know, different things deciding you get a job or not, and qualification doesn't mean anything anymore. And yeah, okay, then you have things like that going on. So Ubuntu goes Titanic, and Debian now decided to go also Titanic. And XFCE is in the water following up too. I don't know. I mean, honestly, I don't know. Oh, by the way, I watched again. I mean, I like usually watching his videos. So yeah, so Linux Mench, he did pretty good videos. I liked it. Like it obviously had this awesome Windows Manager, right? And DWM and stuff like that. And having said this, I saw him tweaking and doing and fixing problems and everything he had with Gnome. And on the end, it looked like Cinnamon. Why did he not just install Cinnamon? Then he don't have to fix everything and it just works. And he gets a file manager where he actually can see how much space he has left, right? So that you don't overfill your hard drive, you don't kick the bucket. You always have your logout button, so you don't have to reboot just because you want to change the Windows Manager or something. Yeah, I don't understand that. So makes me wonder. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I have to scratch my left cheek with the right hand. Radio station? Doodle-doodle-doot. Strawberry? Well, you see, webcamoid? Well, vocal screen. That didn't work when I tried it out. Hold on. Yeah, I think it did not work. So players. Yeah, I just like it. So the way you manipulate this here, if I go in my file manager, doink. And of course I have to go in show the invisible. And here is IceWM, click. Menu, preferred toolbar, startup, preferences. I think preferences is, yeah, that is more, so menu. So that is that. See, like here HTOP, yeah, so it says PC Man FM. If I right click, you can't see PC Man FM. But I have File Manager here, so if you go looking for it, File Manager sooner. So if I have PC MFN, PC Man FM, then it shows up. If I have Tuner, it shows up. Of course, I just added it on. I never know what environment I will, or what browser I will have, and anything else. So this is just what it is. I got everything available. And you see, I have just for Flatpak browser running here. I've put that on too. So Brave is the name, Brave is the icon, and that is the startup sequence. Yeah, PCManFM the name, PCManFM is the icon, and PCManFM is the start sequence. The same with HTOP virtual manager and so all that stuff. So if I install Word Manager, because that menu I have from OpenMandriva. I installed OpenMandriva LXQT, and then I just played around and got myself IceWM running, and then I just added stuff. So Synaptic here, see, oh, Synaptic. Oh, that should show up, shouldn't it? So let's try this, doink. Save it, oink. And then I go here in Programs, Windows Manager, IceWM. I can't see it. Yeah, here's also a restart IceWM, see? Doink, doink. Let's make sure this is still, yeah, it's running. It's red. So, did I not install Semantic? Or did I write it wrong? Oh, okay, sudo Semantic. Sudo Synaptic. I don't know. Let's try this one then. No, this was with the package manager. It didn't work. But, oh, I forgot the name of that thing. What you have to install so that you have a sudo and it asks you for your sudo password. All right, so yeah, here you can see KeyPass is here, document scanner, simple scan, yeah. So it's called document scanner. I just use the dash, then I don't have to have it in brackets. And oh, where is it? And it's actually called simple scan. You see simple scan icon, simple scan the execution, the program name. So that's what I did, and here is my panel that I got it on the top, and my time and the way I want it, and that's all that. Programs, that should be here, these programs. So you have a C programs editor folder, vivid www folder, document viewers. Why is it not moving? Oh, aha, here it goes. Graphic folder, menu, see here it goes. Calendar, Gnome, yeah, Flatpak run Gnome, so because I had that, Bamboo Studio, but I haven't installed it yet. So it would just show all up automatically. So the thing is, what I like here compared, I don't know if that works with OpenBox 2, I don't know enough about OpenBox. Here you just set everything up you want. You don't delete anything, because if it's not there, it will not show in the menu. There's no gap, it just doesn't show. And that's totally okay with me. So I can add on whatever I want, and earlier later it is complete. So I can run whatever I want. Is it Flatpaks, if it is normal programs, doesn't matter if I have Suna, if I have PCManFM or whatever I use at this time. It will show. Right here it shows Suna. If I wouldn't have Suna or PCManFM, it would show PCManFM. If I have both, then it will show both. So, pretty cool, no? So that means you have one-time work here with IceWM. Set it up the way you want it, like panel on the top. And the time, of course, has to be 24-hour time. And the right menu like this, then you got everything you want the way you want it. Perfect. Love it. Having said this, no, not at all. What I wanted to say. So Sparky, I love their. I mean, yeah, where is it? We have to. Yeah. Where is it? Not utility settings. Do they have? Where is it? Let's see. Programs, Windows. No. Audio, video. No. Develop education. Network also not. No, it's not in settings. Utilities. No. Video definitely not in video toolbar. No. Programs. No? Then let's find it. We will find it. Utility, accessibility, this one. I think you find it here. Programs, no. Toolbar, same. Monitors, video, utility. Oh yeah, you see here's PCManFM QT. Because it's QT. If I put the QT on, I'll just show you that now. Can I do this? Yeah, that's PCManFM QT. So if I go now in my menu, so we show hidden stuff. Oh, it doesn't want to. Then we just take sooner. And then we go in IceWM. Then we go in menu, I think it is. And then I just take, where do I have PCMan FM? Here it is. See, I'm the lazy guy. I copy. Then click, paste. And this one is called PCMan FM -QT. -QT. So PCMan FM -QT. And I'm not too sure if that's spelled like this, so we are going to see that soon. Then I save it. Doink. PCMan FM QT. See, there it is now. So I just added it. There it is. And then I send it by Nextcloud my menu files back up. So I copy it, goes in Nextcloud, scripts, documents, IceWM. Then I paste it, overwriting, of course, replace. Now I got it set up. Next time I download it, I've got it both now. So now I have both here. So if I would uninstall PCMan FM, this would vanish. Or if I uninstall sooner, then that vanishes. So it's a one-time effort. And you see, I mean, I'm not really exhausted adding this on. So everybody can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. And so back to Sparky. Oh, yeah, I wanted to see it. Programs, no. Let's see if it's in, definitely not educational, development, no. Definitely not games, network, maybe somewhere here. Steam is good. Conversation rise up. I found it before, I just can't find it now. Utility. LightDM, Nextcloud, Clipper, Raspberry, USB, man. Yeah, what I'm looking for is their APK or whatever they call it. And I've seen it before. I know it exists. I just can't find it. That's not nice. I need it. They don't have a network maybe. No, yeah. I was here before. I couldn't find it. Chromium conversion. Not here. Toolbar definitely not there. Programs no. Video utility. Yeah, I can't find it, which is sad. You know what I mean? Is this software menu or however you want to call it? Because that is extensive. That's very nice. That's how I install all these little things here. So no. Yeah, I can't find it. So okay, for now we can't have it. I have to find the name of it and then I just add it on and then we will be alright. I can't go out because then my OBS dies, right? It stops living, so it stops recording. Counter-Strike. Yeah, I'm sad that it is not here. Rise up VPN. I don't know. I would not use it. There's nothing free in this world, really. So if you don't pay, you pay with your information. Yeah, no, it's not here. I can't. Yeah, pretty sad. No, I really hoped to see that menu here, but no, I can't have it. But I will find it and then I can show it again. And then I'll just add it on and then I have it. So otherwise I still have LXQT running here. Yeah, they have lots of little things here. I like what they have on programs. I don't like that I can't find my this APK here, because it's a script, but it should still show somehow. No, well, it's not a deal breaker. It's not like a mouse scrolling on a browser and then going pages back and forward. Such a nonsense. All right, then not. So can't call it off now. And as I said, I love that little thing. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I got OBS running here. Oops. I guess soon I have a few more windows popping up. Oh, let's take that. Yeah, I don't know why HTOP didn't want to show. Oh, what do we have here? So, like the colors, right? I do like the colors. And see, look, it's not really blasting like crazy, all the CPUs here. It's pretty nice, pretty neat. Yeah. And what do we use? 1.5 gigabytes. So, from 35. Pretty nice. So, can't complain. And yeah, trust me, guys, this is so weird. In the moment you start, here it is. So in the moment you start using IceWM, trust me, you use it for, let's say 2 weeks. If you go back in any other system, let's say you go back to XFCE, if they install OpenBox with it, then okay, you have some write menus, but you get so used to this, because look, I don't have to search, it's all there. My web browser file manager, Thunderbird, when I installed, oh, it was installed, isn't it? Network? Oh, here's Thunderbird. Why do I not, well, I have to put Thunderbird in then. I haven't fired it up yet, so. And that's what I like. I mean, here, desktops. Awesome desktop. I mean, I don't know what happened to Linux Mench. You know, they must either they threatened him, his family, or they gave him tons of money and said, look, you got to get Gnome now running. Next time he will throw Arch away and has Fedora. I mean, I can't blame him for dropping Arch. Then he can go Artix, right? That is a good decision, I think. And instead of Gnome, he can just go Cinnamon. Then he has the desktop he has now. Except in Gnome, he has to do everything. Fluxbox, yeah, JWM, I think, is not so bad either. So here, what I like is, and it comes in that you can't, in no way, not going to happen. Let's open this up. So that's a bit neat. And actually, I like this design, honestly. I mean, it doesn't look that nice. This light round here, then a little bit golden-ish. The writing is clear. The panel is not too big, but good readable. I've got my screens here, my workspaces. Brown, yeah, I can add that on here too. And everything, I love it. I like it. Right-click, everything's available right away. Now I know, here it is. See, here's that menu where you find absolute everything. There it is. Yeah, not bad. So, definitely not GNOME, definitely not KDE. XFCE is on the way out because they just decided so. But look, we have lots of other stuff going on. Trinity, I don't know. OpenBox, I love it. OpenBox No is just the same in black, I guess. Because OpenBox is a project which is finished. It's fini. It's done. It's good. It's actually complete. And no, you don't have to rewrite it, because I think it's written in Python or something. So no, you don't have to rewrite it. It works. It's doing good. It's quick enough. It's fast enough. It's slim enough. It's doing very well. LXDE, I thought they were out, but they're still in. That's good too. But I like LXQT, because what was the other GTK? They're going a little bit weird now too. The thing is, I don't want to hand over just every ISO, everything. Because these people who destroy everything right now and are totally absolute intolerant, they have contributed in the last 30 years nothing. Right? So they can't just take that over or you take my lunchbox. So my distros are my lunchbox. And the distros, there's a guy who said, do the distros do better than Arch? Yeah, 100%, because Arch is going weird too. They can... yeah, let's say I don't give a rat's ass what they say. They're not crazy too. So, but, I mean, look what you had. Budgie, I think that was okay too. That is Solus, right? So they should be still around. They always say they die, but no, they're not dying. And it's good, so that they should not be dying. They have a right to be there. IS3, that's where the Dusk Gregor heart is, starts bumping like crazy. Because that's his desktop usual. That's too barebone for me. So if I just have terminals, that for me is not enough. I need TC, I need some eye candy, I need a panel, I right click, I have my menus. So with that, I'm already happy. So yeah, but I think IceWM still gets developed. They're still doing something. Even though, in my opinion, it's really good. And guess what? We don't have bugs here really. Having said this, HTOP. See? So I don't know, I have to see why it is not doing it. So we could open again sooner. Go on IceWM, because then I don't have to switch PCMine FM to hidden files. Go in menu, open this up. Where's my HTOP? HTOP. Yeah, it should do it. Okay, because it's in a terminal. So you might need the command here to run HTOP in the terminal. So I have to look that up. I don't know that out of my head. So that's the only thing I have to do. And then it works all the time. Doesn't matter if it comes with a package or if you have to let it run like that. So I just don't want to do much. I have to go up soon and call my wife, because she will have to travel in 60 kilometers per hour wind or 70. So that will not be so nice for her. So, because then he has no more strength to insult me, you know, and attack me. Yeah. So we're definitely having a look in everything. So I like Mate. That is okay. So what I really like, I like IceWM, I like Cinnamon. In the earlier days, I liked XFCE, but they're going bonkers. Then OpenBox is nice. So I would run OpenBox, LXDE, LXQT, Mate, IceWM, Cinnamon, Budgie. I have to have a look. We'll have a look next time. And Lumina, GhostBeast didn't do themselves a favor when they were running Lumina, because that's how they started with Lumina. So it's a little bit different desktop. We have to have a look at that too, because now it's quite a few years later, right? So Enlightenment, I can have that. This one, I don't know. Sugar, I don't know. I have it in my coffee though, but yeah, so you can scratch here. KDE, not worth it anymore. Gnome has never been worth it. That can go. XFCE, yeah, I still use it. But I think I would rather have IceWM than XFCE, because it just bugs me to know that they go and they don't have the tons of donations, but they're going to waste them to rewrite XFCE in Rust, even though knowing it can't do many things. Many things they have now, it can't do it. I mean, this is, in my opinion, a clear definition of not being very lucky when they start thinking, right? I mean, they try their best, and I would say are given E for efforts at least. So there's something, right? It's not that they don't get anything. And then here, application. Look what they have. They have tons of stuff. Shells, package. What's packages? Oh yeah, GDebi, aptitude dep, Flatpak, Snap, Plasma Discover. No, thank you. Nix. No. Nala is interesting. No, they don't have that little thing what I was looking for. So application again, doink. Internet, VPN, okay. Email. Look at that. I haven't tried many things here. So Geary, I know about it. Kmail, not worth. Gnome, forget about that, right? I mean, Gnome, the mail program is not bad-ish, and I like the calendar from Gnome, and that was it then. So Proton Mail Bridge, very nice, they got that. Silphard, Thunderbird, Tuta Desktop, that's pretty nice too. Evolution, yeah, that was the one I was looking for. Evolution, Claws Mail is nice too. And that's all I know so far. File transfer. Yeah, GFTP, KGET. UGET I use. UGET is okay. Extreme Download Manager. Dang. Graphics editor, viewer, screenshot, others. What's others? Oh yeah, camera. Okay. Multimedia, video tools. And look at that. They got everything here. DVD. FreeTube, Handbrake, Imagination, Kdenlive, Live, no thank you anymore. OpenShot, slow motion, shutter, encoder. Do they have lossless? That should start with L, no? No, they don't have the lossless cut. Well, can't have it all. It's on a, what's it called now? What was it called? Yeah, Flatpaks. Oh, you get it on Flatpaks. So games. Adventure, arcade. Gnome here, no thank you. So games again. Sport. Super Tux, yeah, that is a must-have. Application, desktop development, graphics, Office. What do they have on Office? Spreadsheets. Calligra, numeric. You see, numeric, never forget numeric. It's the same with the Word document, right? If you go in Office, do they go under text document viewers? No, text editors, no? AbiWord, yeah, don't forget that either. So these are good applications. So if you don't want to have a whole Office suite, and let's say they keep going crazy, then have these two programs. They will do. They're not overloaded. They do the job for the most people. I would say for 75 to 80% of all the people, they're doing the job. So you don't need any special things. Security. Change rootkit. Finger. OpenVPN. Yeah. Proxy tunnel. Where's Nitro key? Where is Tor? Here. Okay. That's good. WireGuard is good too. Password safe, I don't know. As I said, I use KeePass X, but I use KeePass XC. Maybe this XC, I don't know. I don't know. Then maybe there's a C missing. But I think there's a KeePass X too, so I don't know. What else do we have? Yeah, we definitely have to go in these things and try a few things out. No, edu science, go away with science. Yeah, trust the science. No. Definitely not. Devices. Keyboards, mouse, okay, just in case. Yeah, X renderer, something like that. Or A renderer. I would have loved to see that in GhostBSD. I mean, it's BSD, right? It's not Linux. And then I could have just set the screen resolution with it. But no, I don't know how to do it. I have to look it up. And maybe I can do it then. We'll see. But I had so much to play around with Nextcloud. Because I had an old version which works just perfectly, but in HTTP, and I just couldn't make it going HTTPS. And then Cloudflare didn't want to do what I wanted it to do. So, screw this all. So I give up. I mean, especially with the hackery going on, I rather have everything local. And if it's local, I don't really care if it's without HTTPS. Because nothing comes in there. And they have no way out. So they're isolated. That's why I have OpenSense. That makes sense, OpenSense. It's a very nice program. All right, so yeah, I just wanted to make a video to let you guys know there is definitely no video coming in the next days. If I still have power, I don't know. Because most times they play power outage too, right? That reminds me. Do you remember that in Texas and everywhere you cannot run your air condition in the summer? We have no electricity, the grid can't take it. And in the winter you can't heat because it's always breaking into pieces. And now they have tons and tons of data centers which use far more power than whole Texas ever did. And it works. No problems here. No, you can run it day and night. In hot weather, it gets cooled down. That's all right. And, when they have no water, they have water for the data centers. There's no problem with that. So don't you worry about the data centers. You as a human seems to be, they don't care anymore. So, so if somebody tells you we have no electricity, no, switch the data center off. I can boil an egg without asking ChatGPT. Alright, this is it now, guys. So, sorry there's nothing coming. The good thing I wanted to do, I couldn't make it because I just didn't have time, and I wanted to get that video out before it gets crazy. Alright, guys, stay safe, stay sound, stay out of the DDoS attacks on your heart, mind, and soul, and enjoy every day. Okie dokie, see you soon in the next video, and that will be a little bit more informative. Bye-bye.